There you go. New expansion tank. Dead. Right, bye bye engine. Right, good morning guys. I'm going to do another episode for the channel today. Not one that I wanted to do, not just yet anyway. This car has been leaking water, blowing off rad pipes, killing expansion tanks for quite some time now, probably a couple of months. I've just been nursing it back and forward to work whenever I needed it to. But now it's eventually giving up the ghost, I think. I put a new expansion tank on it yesterday, bled it all up, everything seemed fine. 10 minutes after driving it, and me and Ross heard a bit of a pop. We thought we drove over something. Unfortunately we didn't. It was the top of my expansion tank blowing off. So at the moment I'm currently driving to work with no top on my expansion tank. I put some water in it and it's staying halfway at the moment. Probably got another probably 6 miles to do of country roads, so I've got some water with me as well, so hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll make it over and I can get a new engine fitted into this car, so stay tuned. So we're getting hot. We're only a couple of minutes away from work. Only a couple of minutes away now, so as you can see it's a little bit hot. I'm hoping I can make it, probably about a mile away. I'm not stopping because I can't be arsed if the engine blows up. It blows up, so hopefully it doesn't, because I said I've got a mile to go, so good luck. As you can see we're in the red. In the red, cooking the car, and just as I pull up outside the unit, car stops. Too hot. Go right in the red, nice. And oh, starts. I can park it. There we go. This car is definitely dead now, I'd say.
You could be like different cars each week. Normal truck beds or thousands.
So engine is out. It's stinking. So that's where all the oil was blown out the side of the engine. Obviously not good. Give this all a clean. There's the dead engine in question. Head gasket gone anyway. I get the gearbox off this a few other bits, get my other engine from under the shelf and get back sported on. Ross gave the engine bay a quick clean before I stuck the engine in. So the engine in does run, it keeps cutting out. I can't be asked to do any more on it now. I'll have a look at it tomorrow, but it does start and run, so it's not too bad and sounds alright. It's probably got an air leak somewhere, so I'll get that done and hopefully it's fine once I sort it out. So that's the 330 engine all fitted into the 325 saloon. A lot more power. So that's basically it. As I said, I've already driven it. I drove it home last night and it's much better than the M54 2.5. You can feel the difference, especially top end. There's loads and loads more power. Better to drift as well. Had a couple of skids in it this morning and it seems much better again than the 2.5. I put M52 exhaust manifolds on this as well, so that makes it a little bit better than the standard manifolds with the cats in them, which were on my 2.5 previously. Next on the list for this car now I think is a hydraulic handbrake, and then I'm going to take it to a drift day. I've never drifted a E46 on the track, or only ever E36s, so we can see what this is like. It definitely is more planted than an E36, it's got more grip, but I don't think that will necessarily be any better for drifting, but we'll see how it goes. So once again, thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe.